Looking for premium WordPress hosting that's fast, secure, and built for growth? In this video, I'll be reviewing WP Engine, one of the most trusted managed WordPress hosting providers. By the end, you'll know if WP Engine is right for you, or if you should just look at alternatives. I provide a link to WP Engine in the description below, where you'll get an exclusive WP Engine discount that gets you 3 months free on your WP Engine WordPress hosting purchase. A little disclosure, the link is the affiliate link, meaning I receive a commission from WP Engine at no extra cost to you. Plus, you get an awesome WP Engine discount. Let's get started. WP Engine isn't your typical hosting company. It's a managed WordPress hosting platform, meaning they take care of the technical side of running WordPress, like speed, security, updates, and backups, so you can focus on growing your site instead of managing servers. Here's what makes WP Engine stand out. Speed and performance. With built-in caching through EverCache and Google Cloud plus AWS infrastructure, your site loads lightning fast. Security, daily backups, free SSL, managed WordPress updates, and proactive threat detection. Developer-friendly tools, staging environments, Git integration, and workflow tools for agencies and developers. 24/7 support, real WordPress experts available anytime, free migrations, move your existing site easily with their automated migration plugin. Now let's talk about the control panel and ease of use. Unlike cPanel or Plesk, which you might see with Budget Host, WP Engine has its own custom dashboard. It's clean, simple, and designed specifically for WordPress. From here, you can manage multiple WordPress sites, create staging environments with just a click, access backups and restore points instantly, add team members and manage user permissions. Everything is streamlined, so even if you're not super technical, it's easy to handle the basics. And for developers, the workflow tools are really powerful. You can push changes from staging to live without downtime. One of the biggest selling points of WP Engine is performance. So I ran my own speed test on a fully functioning website to see how it actually performs in the real world. Here's what I found. Page load times were extremely fast. The site loaded on average 622 milliseconds in my test. You get performance features like instant code cleanup, intelligent page loading, global CDN with 250 plus points of presence across 300 cities and 100 countries, 360-degree image optimizations, one-click activation, and EverCache, the industry-leading caching algorithm built to make WordPress lightning fast. Compared to regular shared hosting, WP Engine was noticeably faster and more consistent, even under load. This makes it a strong choice if speed and reliability are important for your site. Security is another area where WP Engine really shines. Since this is managed WordPress hosting, they don't just hand you a server and leave you on your own. Here's what's included. Daily automatic backups with one-click restore if anything goes wrong, free SSL certificates for all sites, managed WordPress core updates so you're always patched against vulnerabilities, advanced threat detection and blocking. WP Engine actively monitors for malware and DDoS attacks, and if your site ever does get hacked, they'll fix it for free. So whether you're running a small blog or a business site, you're getting enterprise-level protection without needing extra plugins or security add-ons. Now let's talk about customer support. WP Engine offers 24/7 support through live chat on all plans and phone support on higher plans. What really stands out is that their team is made up of WordPress experts, not general hosting reps. That means they can actually help with WordPress-specific issues, plugin conflicts, and performance optimizations. In my experience, response times were quick and the reps were knowledgeable. Plus, WP Engine has a huge knowledge base and documentation if you prefer to troubleshoot on your own. Now let's break down WP Engine's plans, including features and pricing. Startup plan, one website and 25,000 monthly visits, runs as low as $23 a month, great for small blogs or a single website. Professional plan, 3 websites and 75,000 monthly visits, runs as low as $45 a month, perfect for freelancers or small agencies. E-commerce professional plan, 3 websites and 75,000 monthly visits, same features as professional, but optimized for WooCommerce, runs as low as $57 a month. Growth plan, 10 websites and 100,000 monthly visits, runs as low as $87 a month, ideal for growing businesses. Scale plan, 30 websites and 400,000 monthly visits, runs as low as $218 a month, best for larger agencies or high traffic sites. If you need more websites than your plan allows, WP Engine also offers add-ons at checkout, so you can host additional sites without upgrading to the next plan. This is handy for agencies or developers managing multiple clients. WP Engine offers both monthly and annual billing. Going annual gets you the biggest discount compared to paying month to month, so if you're confident about your site, it's a smart way to save a little. Keep in mind, WP Engine isn't the cheapest option, but these limits ensure your site stays fast and secure even as traffic grows. And if you're on the fence, WP Engine offers a 60-day money-back guarantee on all plans, so you can try it risk-free and see if it's the right fit for your site. So what are the biggest pros? Blazing fast speeds, top-notch security, excellent support, free premium themes from WordPress included, perfect for serious bloggers, e-commerce stores, and businesses that rely on uptime. Of course, no hosting is perfect. Some cons of WP Engine are it's more expensive than shared hosting. Visitor limits: if your traffic spikes, you might need a higher plan. It's only for WordPress, so if you plan on hosting other types of sites, this isn't for you. WP Engine is best for businesses, bloggers, and developers who need speed, reliability, and security without the hassle of managing servers. If you just want the cheapest hosting for a small hobby blog, WP Engine probably isn't necessary, but if you're running a business site or something mission critical, it's worth every penny. To wrap it up, WP Engine is one of the best managed WordPress hosting providers on the market. If you value speed, security, and expert support, it's a fantastic choice. I'll drop a link below with the best available discount if you want to try it out. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more hosting reviews, and let me know in the comments, are you considering WP Engine, or do you prefer another hosting provider?